everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Robinhood app safely without losing money. First of all, if you're new to investing, here's how to protect yourself using Robinhood. First, download the Robinhood app and then sign up with your verified email or ID. Next, before investing, tap the search bar to explore stocks for ETFs, and always read the detailed space. Start with small amounts so you can afford to lose. Next, enable two-factor authentication. In account, go ahead and go to your account and then go to settings and then enable double factor authentication. For that, I have made a different video how to enable two-factor authentication. You can go ahead and check it out. Avoid margin trading unless you fully understand the risk. It lets you borrow money, but losses can pile up fast. Check your portfolio daily, but don't panic self. Robinhood is best for long-term growth, not gambling. Safety tip: never trust stock tips from random messages, Discord groups, or TikTok videos. Many are pump and dump scams. If you make a mistake, the order history pays to cancel pending trades before they execute, or contact Robinhood support immediately. And that's it. I hope this video helped you guys on how to use Robinhood app safely without losing money. If it did, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button, and do not forget to comment down on my video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.